fishing with LouisianaFishingBuddies.com. We headed out before the Saints game, see if we can't catch us a couple hogs. Fishy. I know they got one in here. Come on. Nobody ever fishes around here too often. Come on, fishy. I shouldn't even be in here showing y'all this stuff. But that's alright. Because y'all don't know where I'm at. And I'm not telling you the location. And GPS is on sonar. No coordinates for you today. I know, I mean, y'all probably won't like me, but everybody's got to keep their honey hole protected. Which after watching this video, you probably won't want to come here anyway. Because I'm not showing you anything. Oh, come on, fish, come on. Don't make me pull out that trick worm on you. I did notice one day when I launched the boat, water was a little up today compared to last time. All that stuff plays a key factor in fish. I don't know why. If I was a fish, I'd park myself somewhere where I know they got a buffet, and I'd eat and play all the time. It wouldn't matter what time of year it is. There she is. There she is. Ooh, good fish. Good fish on. Good fish on. There you go. Told you this line has never let me down. Good fish on. Look at that fish, boy. It's a pretty little fish. Come here, girl. We're going to release you. Nice little fish. Told you this island's never let me down. Never let me down. Good little fishy. And we'll let her go, grow up and get a little bigger. I don't lie. This island does me good every time. Nice little fish there. Way to break the ice. The way that fish bit onto it and took off, I wouldn't doubt there's a second one laying in there. What I told you. What I told you. There's another one. Oh, it came off. Oh, it came off. That was my cast right after catching that one. I told you the way it hit the bait and ran out with it, it was signs of another fish in there. Threw right back in that same spot, and there was a fish on. Man, oh man. That's the key thing when you're fishing. If you get a fish that picks up your bait and takes off with it fast, it's normally trying to get away from another fish that's after your bait. Throw back in there, don't be scared. I've caught 3 fish in the same spot. And that right there just showed you, that was fish number 2. That was sitting in there right off that point. Threw in there using that trick worm. He came out with it too. Man, oh man, I wish I wouldn't have missed that fish. Two fish back to back. Camera never stopped rolling. By the way, I'm bringing you this film courtesy of hatcams.com. I have a flip camera on my hat that brings you all the action. Check them out, hatcams.com. But we're looking at what I've been fishing before. There's a couple isolated patches of grass and all that, and for some reason this island always holds fish. Always. That was another decent little fish I had on there for a minute. Just didn't get the hook set in him.